नमस्कार साथियों, उम्मीद आप सकुशल होंगे। तो फाइनली MGNF के इंटरव्यूज़ 2021 के आज से यानी कि 16 अगस्त से मॉर्निंग हाफ से शुरू हो गए और मेरा अभी जस्ट कंप्लीट हुआ है इंटरव्यू। आई एम सो सॉरी बैकग्राउंड के लिए। आई एम एट स्टेशन बट लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम सो हैप्पी। सो आई ट्राइड कि जल्दी से एक वीडियो बना के आप तक पहुंचा दिया जाए कि क्या प्रोसेस है। सम ऑफ़ यू जिन्होंने हमारे मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ दिए हैं, आई थिंक यू मस्ट बी हैप्पी दैट वॉट एवर वी हैव आस्क्ड मोस्टली उसमें से उस प्रिपरेशन से आपको हेल्प हुआ होगा। तो 16 अगस्त 2021 मॉर्निंग सेशन लखनऊ में क्या हुआ, आई विल टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। So first, please let me clarify, we are not from MGNF, IIMB or any coaching institute. We are from the team Step Ahead and supporting you voluntary. So thanks a lot for joining us. नेक्स्ट में चलते हैं। जैसे हमने आपको बताया था, सिमिलरली ऑन द डे ऑफ इंटरव्यू यानी जो हमारा फर्स्ट हाफ शुरू हुआ, that has a 4 sections: document verification, case analysis, then language proficiency test, and finally there was an interview. सो एज आई शेयर्ड यू अर्लियर एज वेल, आपको क्या क्या लेके जाना बिफोर इंटरव्यू, हॉल टिकट, कॉपी ऑफ दैट लेटर जो मेल का आपका है, एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ें आपको पता है। आई विल नॉट रिपीट इट। सो दिस इज़ लाइक माई लर्निंग गाइज। आई थिंक बी बिफोर टाइम, आप समय से पहले पहुँचे वहाँ पर, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड लाइक यू विल अटेंड ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे आर गिविंग। नेक्स्ट इज ईट फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 hours एंड प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ। एक मन बना लो, लाइक प्रिपेयर और माइंड दैट यू आर गोइंग फॉर 5 hours, वेदर इट इज़ फ्रॉम 8 AM to the 1:30 PM और वेदर इट इज़ फ्रॉम द 1:30 to the evening. So there to 4 to 5 hours. So आप ये सोच के मत जाओ कि यू हैव लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट एंड यू कैन सस्टेन। बेटर है कि आपको भूख नहीं लगी होगी, बट यू शुड टेक प्रॉपर फूड, वियर फॉर्मल्स एंड ऐसे क्लॉथ्स। लाइक बहुत सारे र्यूमर्स हैं क्या पहनना चाहिए क्या नहीं। प्रॉपर फॉर्मल पहनिए आप एंड वियर लाइक सम क्लॉथ्स दैट यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन। वाई? बिकॉज यू हैव टू स्पेंड 5 hours in the same clothes, sitting only formally. Listen the instructor carefully. So there are instructors available from the IIM Bangalore and like वहाँ जो एग्ज़ाम सेंटर पर हैं, they are people. Listen them carefully. क्या कह रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं, understand them. Don't talk to any aspirant during the entire process. आपको इंस्ट्रक्टर भी बोलेंगे, but by you yourself as well. Don't try to talk to any aspirant once your process is started. Remember you are watched. Someone is watching you. So like there might be some people जो आपको सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व कर रहे होंगे and they will be observing you. So don't think that the instructor is not there, so you have not been watched, but you are watched definitely. Be relaxed and focused. So you can just think about your you can do mindful exercises. Basically आप अपने ब्रीथ पर फोकस कर सकते हो, because you have to be relaxed there. आपको पैनिक नहीं लेना है, don't worry at all. And sign wherever needed. So there are 2-3 documents where you have to sign before leaving the campus. So the instructor and the assistants of instructor will come to you and get the sign. But that person is not coming, then you have to ask that person, sir, where I have to sign before leaving the campus. So this is like the basic things you have to keep in your mind. Be relaxed, don't worry. Let's come to the case analysis first. So you will get the case analysis for 40 minutes. There will be one case given and the answer writing space is only 1 page, right? So there will be only 1 page this year and the case writing is in English. There will be one more page for the rub work. So what is rub work? You can just simply write down the points, whatever you want to write on the page that will be evaluated. रब पेज पर आप पहले से ऑलरेडी आप उसको लिख सकते हो. Then understand the case study and do some rough work because writing it. I will share the case study का brief जो आया था यहाँ पर, but that would not be the same. For 40 minutes and in English you have to write it, right? And read the instructions in the first page. So you will get the first page instruction in the Hindi like LPT as well as case study. They will give you what to be write in the case study answers. ठीक है? So this is a brief about it, not exactly. So we have been given a paragraph, like a paragraph of an article that was about vaccine Maitri. So this initiative has been taken in COVID-19 And if you remember, there was one article in our MGNF written examination paper. There was like one paragraph by the CEO Niti Aayog Amitabh Kant ji ka, that India can emerge as a global leader in the sunrise industries, right? So that was like similar paragraph, not any problem, not any not looking as a problem statement or something. But so there were like 3 to 4 lines paragraphs were there. In first para, they were asking simply that Vaccine Maitri initiative, what is it about, how this is the a very good part of foreign policy. Then in second paragraph, they have given some history that Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India, also taken and said like that. And in third, they were saying that India can be a global leader in science and technology. That was about that. And fourth, similarly around that, what are the challenges, before becoming the global leader, India has to resolve these challenges. So at the last, they were asking, do you believe that कि COVID-19 से ये इंडिया को लीडर बनने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है? These are not the right letters, exact sentences. I don't remember exactly, but this is the crux. And finally, these were the instructions at the first phase, that the evaluation will be on the proper structure, proper logical reasoning to the case, and they were asking, if you believe so, give us the proper reasoning for that case particularly, and you have to write in one page, right? So you have to just keep that in mind. Don't worry about it, just read the paragraphs and summarize them, how you can just precise them briefly. So understand that particularly. Next, let's come to the language proficiency test. Guys, I think if this the similar process will be, then I think there will be not, I would say, very difficult, but something easy will come. So there they have asked to write a mail, right? It's only in the regional language. So question was only in the regional language, right? So you have to understand that in the regional language itself. They have not given an English and Hindi both. They have given on their regional language. So they have given the description of a scheme, right? I will that will not help because they will not repeat the scheme. So there was one scheme. They have given the description of it. There was one scheme of MSDE, and they have given the description of it, and they asked that you have to write a mail to DM. They have given the format on the one page as well. That was also in one page, right? That you have to write a mail to the DM informing, giving him the plan, giving him or her the plan that how you can inaugurate it, आप इसका शुभारंभ कैसे करेंगे, एंड हाउ यू कैन जस्ट इम्प्लीमेंट इट, ठीक है, उसको लागू करने की क्या स्ट्रेटजी हो सकती है, जस्ट सजेस्टिंग दैट यू कैन मेल जस्ट टू देम. सो एक ही पेज में आपको लिखना है, मेल का फॉर्मेट ऑलरेडी वहाँ पर होगा. So you have to just write that. So you will get the description of the scheme. Then I think there would not be much problem in just summarizing it, and you have to put the strategy part from yourself. Okay, how you can just inaugurate the scheme so that can reach to the many people, right? And how you can give the suggestions that for the better implementation of that particular scheme. So about the language proficiency test, they given 75 minutes, but as you know that you can just easily do that in hardly 20 to 30 minutes, right? And after that, this is the same template I have been using since last videos. I am what I can say, thankfully our team prepared the questions. The questions were similar to it. They were asking starting about yourself, and then questions from your previous work, education, questions from government schemes. There was cross questioning on your work itself. They were judging your attitude, how the government functioning. They were asking why you want to join this MGNF, how it will be beneficial, what are the key steps you are going to take after MGNF, being MGNF fellow. Hypothetical situations, yes, they were giving few hypothetical situations, and they were asking long-term vision and short-term vision. I think if you have given the interview in today morning and afternoon session, you would agree with us. These were the questions we prepared and we have collaboratively studied for. And if you have done it, articulated well, and if you attended our mock interviews and worked upon the feedback we have given, I think that might help you. Secondly, I have what were the additional questions into the interview. So one, UPSC guys, they were killed it. Means like we have suggested you already, if you are mentioning UPSC and then you have to justify it, either you like mention it and justify it, or you have to articulate it well. So most of the aspirants who were saying that I am a UPSC aspirant, they were like very much like cross questioning there. They were cross questioning why you want to join the MGNF, you can do something else. So अगर आपने mock interview attend किया है, you will understand the cross questioning scenario. Government scheme and government functioning, they were asking what are the key schemes in government functioning, like how president used to elect in India, क्या क्या government के structure होते हैं. Then your key steps after being a fellow. So they were asking that can you visualize that if you become a MGNF fellow, what would be the key area you will work around, right? And then they were asking the key experts. So suppose that you have said that you are from economics, they were asking tell us the key economist names. Or if you are asking you are from public policy administration or something, they will ask, okay, tell me the policy makers, few policy makers name. So you should aware about that, you should aware like about your background. And they were asking about what was the impact of your last work. Suppose that you will saying that I did volunteering with some NGO. So they might ask, okay, ठीक है, how do you measure your impact? ठीक है, so they was asking me that if you done this, how you have been, or if not have been, how you will measure your impact. ठीक है, so be very specific around that. So these were like few questions added to the last or previous questions we have suggested. But be very like note the introduction part down. Don't be very much aggressive around your whatever you are saying. Just listen them and answer you carefully. And please attend our mock interviews, we will suggest you definitely. So this is like what we have suggested already. When you are telling about yourself, your story should be connected. I think previous video have all the details. If you go to the channel, why you want to join the fellowship, key values क्या हैं, your needs should be visible. And guys, so the interview is not like the person is not taking interview at the Lucknow I am talking about. In the other center there might be a different case. There is a laptop and you have to just sit in front of the laptop and you have to just answer the question the person is asking on the Zoom or any meeting like there is, right? So the similar to our mock interviews we were conducting. So like there will be different case at different center. There might be physical person at your center in different place. Key values what you will add to the MGNF. Read the program very carefully. Try to understand. Energy, spirit, motivation should be visible. So like if not selected MGNF, try to understand what is the next move that can be for the connected should be the MGNF and related interview. At last, all the best champions. I think be prepared and attend Step Ahead mock interviews if you have not. And please, if like we are a very limited team, so we are trying our best. We have done so far more than 100 people's mock interviews. If you are not getting call, please ping us, please message us again and again so that we can reach out to you. Because we have very few people, but trying to support you all. Be calm and very relaxed. That's very much important, right? Don't speak in hurry, or don't just speak in aggressively, right? And deliver your best at the last. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. और आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई. I think just be relaxed, give your best, prepare before going to there, right? Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, and all the best. Each one of you from a Step Ahead.